Opening greetings. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life, your go-to YouTube channel for all things RV living. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that is important for every RVer: how to avoid those dreaded high electric bills. Electricity costs can quickly add up, but with a few simple tweaks and adjustments, you can keep your expenses under control. One of the main culprits behind high electric bills in RVs is using too much power for heating or cooling. To minimize this expense, make sure your RV is properly insulated. Check for any air leaks around doors, windows, and vents, and seal them with weather stripping or caulking. Proper insulation will keep the warm or cool air inside and reduce the need for excessive heating or cooling. Another key factor in reducing your electric bill is efficient energy usage. Opt for LED lights instead of traditional incandescent bulbs, as they consume significantly less power. Additionally, consider investing in energy-efficient appliances specifically designed for RVs. These appliances are designed to operate on lower power levels, helping you save energy and money. Good maintenance practices go a long way in keeping your electric bill in check. Routinely clean your HVAC filters to ensure optimal performance, and keep an eye on your refrigerator's ventilation to prevent it from overworking. These small tasks can significantly improve energy efficiency and save you money in the long run. We hope you found today's video helpful in understanding how to avoid high electric bills in your RV. By implementing these tips, you can enjoy a more cost-effective and sustainable lifestyle on the road. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily RV Life for more valuable content on RV living. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.